Clear the ground of any rocks or debris that could damage the tent floor. Lay the tent out with a fly sheet facing upwards. If using the footprint, turn the tent over and attach the footprint to the base and flip it back over. Peg out the windward corners to anchor the tent against the wind. Assemble all 3 poles, ensuring all segments are fully seated. Lay the poles out to identify the 2 long and 1 short poles. Starting with the longer poles, insert the tips into the pole sleeves at the corners of the fly sheet. The main poles will cross once. Where the poles cross, ensure that the topmost pole is aligned with the fly sheet clips. Clip the fly sheet hooks directly onto the poles, working from the base upwards to form the tent body. Now insert the cross pole into the sleeves and do the same. The Stormgrotta 1.5 is freestanding, so you can lift and reposition if needed. Peg down all remaining corners and all fly sheet pegging points. Next, peg out the guy lines to provide additional stability, tension them snugly, but avoid over tightening. To take down the tent, perform the pitching steps in reverse order.